Hi everyone, this is Akash from PNP, and today I'll show you how to install Watchtower on your Ugreen NAS. So you can keep all your containers up to date very easily. How Watchtower works is basically it runs in the background, keeps watching all your containers. Whenever it finds a new image, it pulls that image automatically and updates your container with that new image. Very simple. So we will use as usual the GUI tool, no commands to run at all. Click on your Docker app. Click on images, click on the image database, and let's look for Watchtower. We'll use this image, container Watchtower image. So let's pull it. While this is downloading, let's go to their website to see how to run it. Here you will see that everything is normal, but one volume that we have to mount is the Docker socket. So from the host where run docker.sock, we have to mount it to the container where run docker.sock. What it does is basically gives Watchtower the access to host Docker socket file, so it can keep on monitoring all the containers. So for this we'll use project. Click on create, give the name. It will take the storage path automatically, and we have to give a YAML. This is the YAML that I will use. Now let me tell you what it does is this is the name of the image that we're going to use. This is the name of the container. Let's make it Watchtower 5 just to make sure if I've done any installation previously then it doesn't conflict. The restart policy, network mode is host. As usual we use host so that we don't have to do any port forwarding. And this is an important file here, that your volume has to be mounted. So Docker socket is mounted to containers Docker socket. We couldn't do this with this container here because it lets you browse but will not let you browse to the where directory. That's why we used Docker Compose. So this project is basically Docker Compose, and click on deploy. Alright, it takes a minute, it's created. Now go to your container, you see Watchtower is running. Click on it, go to your log, and you will see that this is running using no notification, checking all containers. Yep, this is it. If you want, you can run it with label as well. And with label, what happens is that when you create a new container, you can ask that container to be excluded. So if for any reason you have a container which you don't want to be updated automatically, you can exclude that. But that's a case that I don't think many people will be using, so I didn't cover that. This is it. There is no interface to this. There is nothing else to this. You can just leave it here. Any container that you have, it will keep on checking it periodically and keep on updating automatically. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to ask them in the comment box, and as usual I always reply to whatever you ask for whenever I can. Thanks a lot.